Okay guys, we're gonna install some LED lights on this 2016 Accord. I'm gonna open this package up so you guys can see what's inside this package. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slowly put it right here. I'm gonna get my beat up knife here. I'm gonna open this tab here. I'm gonna open this tab here. I'm gonna put my knife back. And something like this you could get online. This is H11. This is the numbers there. This is H11 bulb. Just search up this light online and you will find it. There's a couple of numbers here if you guys need. And let's see what's inside this baby. So inside they're gonna give you a manual, which I never read. We got these little guys. So this is what's inside this, okay? Very simple and easy system right here. So this is what we're gonna put in this baby, okay? Some LED lights, and you guys gonna see it before and after. So let's look at it before. This is what it looked like. Okay, that didn't turn on. Maybe I gotta put the key on, and I'll pop the hood while we at it. Okay, she got both the bulbs out, I guess, so we have nothing there. All right, so let's turn this off. Let's remove this, and we're gonna put this out of the way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this full step by step. I'm gonna get my light. And very simple, okay? There's our bulb right here down here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push on this tab to remove this clip, and you're gonna turn what just fell. Okay, something fell down there. So we're gonna turn this ball counterclockwise, if I can manage to do that. There you go. So this bulb is shot. We're gonna take one of this. So remember, this thing has a positive and negative, okay? You can connect it wrong. So if it doesn't work, just flip it the other way around, the connector, because you won't know unless it tells you here positive and negative. So the red is positive and other one is negative. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put one side in and you do both sides, and then we'll try it on, okay? The other side I'm not gonna put it on. I'm not gonna show you putting it on, but once it's on, once it's in there, I will show you guys. So right now, all we need to do is find the slot and try not to damage the fan. Okay, try not to damage the fan in the back, but what I want to do here is just grab the socket and I'm going to just turn it clockwise. And once it's in there, and all I want to do is I'm going to connect the connector now. And make sure you put the positive to positive and negative to negative. If it doesn't work, so just switch it around. Sometimes it's a bad connection, wrong side, because this is universal, okay? It can go this way or the other way. Okay, so once this is in, okay, I need both of my hands in there. So let me get this connector in, and then, okay, you know what? I got it. There you go. It clicked. So let me see if it comes on. Just like that. There you go. Did it come on yet? Nope, not yet. I might have to start the car. So there you have it. I have my connection backward, even though I thought I had it right. So there you have it. Clear white light. There you have it. Nice. Okay. So I'm going to do the other side, and we'll check it out. There you have it. LED bulbs on this baby. Best thing you have. And there's your reflection in the front. Thank you for watching my video. Very simple. It took me 5 minutes. No more than that. Just be careful with the positive and negative. If it doesn't work, just switch it around and it should work, okay? The red cable. So the red cable, as you can see right there, red cable is a positive and the other one's a negative, and it is labeled on this connector positive and negative. Right there is positive and the other side is negative. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos on my channel.